Hey guys, welcome to another video. I just made the den and animal. But I wanted to add some stuff to the den. So let's get started. So you know how there's an igloo down here? Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little penguin stuffed animal. If I have one, hopefully I do. To it, so it looks like a little penguin den. It will look so cute. So I just passed one. Okay, so we'll add it. There you go. So we'll bring it down here, and we'll add it like right there. That's so cute. And then what I wanted to add was, sorry, this is glitchy kind of. I don't know why I want to do this, but I just want to like cover over here with these pillow things. And I'm bored, so that's why I'm making videos. Oh, by the way, happy Valentine's Day to all the people who subscribe to me. You're the best people ever. I have all of these. I want to recycle them, but I always need them. So let's just get all of these over here. I love Uptown Funk. Oh, thank you so much for all the views on that Uptown Funk Little's Pet Shop video. It got so many, and I was like my first video, so sorry if it's weird. I was like singing to it in the video. I don't know why. I like this song a lot. It's awesome. But unfortunately, I'm gonna have to change the song because it's almost ending. Like now. So, be right back. There we go. Okay, hopefully you can hear that. There we go. So much about this is so glitchy. It's my snap bicycle. I'm holding it up. You feel something, but it ain't up. Got straight over to go find some modern. You can buy me diamond earrings and tonight. Na 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 tonight. Put a smell on your clothes, so go bye 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 bye. I know you love some moving. Okay. Tell me, do you think I'm down? So, anyways, not about the music anymore. So guys, this was kind of a short video, but I made some jewelry for Little's Pet Shops, and I'll be making a video about that soon. And sorry about the glitching music. It's not usually like that. No money, so tight. I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny? Almost but I don't know if you heard about me, so. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will be getting an owl. Just so you know, I have 9 diamonds, and only one more, and I'll get the. Well, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.